If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below. Welcome to the CHAPPAN BHOG series of Chef Lall's kitchen, where I will be making more than 100 holy food of Lord Jagannath, also known as Mahaprasad. And today we're gonna be making KHUDI NADIA. So let's get started. So the ingredients we need are half a cup of coconut cut in the shape of wedges, then 1 tablespoon of clarified butter or ghee, then take some cloves and 1 black cardamom and make a powder of it, from which we need about a teaspoon of that. Then quarter cup of sugar. Now in a pan, first add the ghee followed by all the sugar along with 2 tablespoons of water. Once the sugar dissolves, add the clove and cardamom powder and boil the syrup for roughly about a couple of minutes. Then to that, add all the coconut and coat them really well. And because of the heat, the coconut will also release some moisture. So we need to reduce the moisture and let it cook till it's almost dried and turn golden brown in color. Then remove them from the pan. And that's it, one of the Mahaprasad KHUDI NADIA. So do try this at home and share your experience in the comment section below. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below.